Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at Belletress Miss Macchiato Heat Friendly in the color Coconut Silver Blonde. This is such a nice bob. I've been wanting to try this color, so I can't wait to show it to you. But first, I want to remind you, please don't forget to join me on Instagram at Crazywiglady. I have so much fun there. I have my back porch chat there once a week. We sit out on my back porch, talk about everything from hair to makeup. I have lots of giveaways over there, so be sure to join me at Instagram at Crazywiglady. Okay, let's have a look. Miss Macchiato in Coconut Silver Blonde. Okay, let's look at this cute bob. Short, wavy bob. It has these beautiful side swept bangs. I want to make sure you see how pretty these bangs are. You can pull this all down towards your face. Like I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you could add some more curl to this if you'd like, or you can make this super straight. But it does have this wave in it, which I think is such a nice touch. Let me show you the back. I've never had this color or this wig, so I have enjoyed just playing with it. I want to show you now the coverage. You can see my bow hair there on both sides. I would probably need to use a little blending powder there. Now also a word of caution. You see how you can kind of see this cap here. When you have one of these silver wigs like this, that is sometimes can be an issue. If you have a very light wig cap, I would wear that with this. I would also say be careful pulling this off of your face too much. As you can see on these light colored wigs, many times you can see the wefting when you're trying to style them off your face. So just keep that in mind on these light colored wigs like that. This is beautiful Belletress fibers. Really, really pretty. I would probably like this with some texture in it. I'm just going to use a little Jon Renau styling spray. Rub my hands through it, and I want to piece this out a little bit and see if I can. I like my, as you know, if you watch my videos, you know I like my hair to be messy. I feel like it's a dead giveaway for a wig that's one that's too fixed. I want it to be messy. I want it to look natural. I want it to have movement. Now you can see I'm not highly styling this. I've got my hands all in this hair. And I just want it to be off my face. That's my preference. You could certainly wear these down. Now these bangs are 7 inches. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, and I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. All my stats are below this video. But the bangs on this are 7. So that's how this falls on me. The sides, I think, are around 9 to 10. The nape is 3 to 4. The back is 9½ to 10½. So it has this overall length of 7 to 10½. It's a nice wearable length, I think, for all ages. I like my hair up and off my face. I would use a little bit of that same holding spray. You could steam it, or many times I do just that. Put a little holding spray in it. Pull it up and off. It also helps with flyaways, the Jon Renau styling spray. If you have a lot of flyaways, just put some in your hands, run it lightly through your fingers, just run it through, and that a lot of times will help if you have a lot of flyaways. Now let's talk about this color. Now this wig is available in around 20 shades. Now this is definitely a silver blonde. Now it does have this coconut running through it, and that is an ashy sandy color, if you can see. Wow, it is beautiful. And then it has these really white highlights. So it's very dimensional. Silver with the ashy sandy color running through the coconut, and then the white highlights. And you can see a lot of those white highlights right around the face. It is not rooted, as you can see. So if you don't like rooted wigs, you might give this one a try. Beautiful, beautiful color. Let's go outside and look at it. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap for Miss Macchiato Heat Friendly. Lace front into a left mono part. There is a small amount of permatease here, not a large amount, but there is a small amount. Closed ear tabs with stays, open wefted, and this ran large on me. You can see I've pulled in the adjusters on both sides, not extended felt nape, and I have pulled in the adjusters on both sides. And there is still some stretch in this, so this would probably work for a little larger head size. And then let me give you a close-up look of Coconut Silver Blonde. You can see that little bit of ashiness running through there. Okay, we are back with Belletress, Miss Macchiato Heat Friendly, and Coconut Silver Blonde. Just a beautiful style. Be sure to stay to the end of the video for more photos and outdoor lighting and for some ways to style this. I bought this wig with my own funds from Wig Studio One. Wanted to let you know that. I hope you'll try this color. This is a beautiful color. If you are transitioning to gray, you don't want to be very white, this might be a good place to start. Thank you so much. Again, don't forget, join me on Instagram and please like and subscribe to this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time, and don't forget, we're all in this together.